I realize that I am incredibly late. We are halfway through October right now, but I am finally decorating for fall.
Just wanna get to know you.
Maybe you could get out of the shot. Huh? How about that? So I've got an entire box of fall decor. I also have my pumpkins, and I've got some fake leaves and dried flowers that we can use. But I thought it'd be nice before we get started to show you a little where my mind is going, like style-wise. So I went onto Pinterest and I made a board. I added some pictures to it that actually have nothing to do with fall decor, but I just like the color scheme or the colors that were used, so I added them anyway. It's a little bit moody, but not too dark. And there's definitely some orange because I love having orange in fall decor, but not too orange. So a little bit muted, a bit desaturated versions of orange, if that makes sense, like this. I love using natural elements and organic things like leaves and wood, pumpkins, obviously. I have tried to find white pumpkins like this. I love the look of them, but I've not been able to find them. So that made me a little sad. I don't know, they just didn't sell them anywhere. I think I have 2 little ones. Maybe we could use those. I'm not even sure they're really pumpkins though. Anyway, I am definitely going to be working with blankets and stuff, although I do already have that in my decor, so maybe I'll just switch some things around. Same goes for books. I always have books around. I love the vibe that it gives. I also like this, the dried orange thing. However, I don't know if I have enough time to actually dry all the oranges, so I don't know if we're gonna do this, but I do really love the look of it. So this is kind of what I'm thinking, although I don't really have a plan. So we're just gonna get started and see where we go. This is always a lot of fun for me because I tend to forget the things that I have in this box. I also tend to find things over the course of a year and just put them in that box. When it actually is fall and I open the box, it's like a little surprise, like a little gift from me to me. So these are actually new. I found these at a store this week and I thought they would fit very nicely. We can put a little tea light inside. We'll see what we'll do with that. I also got a lavender candle. Not quite sure about the smell, to be honest. It's kind of nice, but I don't know if it's too strong, maybe. Huh. Okay, so there's more of this. These are very bright, very orange. Maybe I can mix them with something else because we have these that are way nicer, a little less orange, bright orange. Same goes for this. See how they're darker, and these I also very much like. These are actually new. I got these a while ago. See, this is one of these things that I run into during the summer or something, and then I'm like, oh, that would make for a fun fall decor, and I'll just put it in the box. It's a little fox. Ooh, these I found recently as well. They're just candle holders. Very simple, but I like the color of them. Oh, look at that! Orange slices. They're not very orange anymore. I got these 2. These are faux pumpkins, very heavy. I think they were terracotta and then they put a whitewash over it. Something like that. I do love these. Oh, look what I find. We've got a fake one. So we still have a light colored pumpkin. Although it's not real. Some pine cones. Also have a couple of these. Okay, that's pretty much it, I think. Usually I actually decorate for fall at the very beginning of fall. Like when everybody is still enjoying summer, I already have my fall decor out. But this year I was incredibly late, mostly because I wanted to finish that living room makeover first, and that just took so much longer than I had hoped. It took me about a month, I think. Whoa, what you doing? What are you guys doing? No! Cuddles! Aren't you adorable? I think we're gonna start with the mantle. I'm gonna use these things, or some of them. I actually think I wanna have a vase there. Okay, not so high. That's a little high. But the vase itself looks really good in this spot. Hang on, I like this idea. Let's take these out because they are too high. And then put this here. I think I like that. But there should be somewhere something orange in there, right? I'm already starting to doubt my decision using these leafy things because they don't look as full as I thought. But maybe I should just use the other ones. I kind of love this. I love the red colors in them, even though they are very obviously very fake. Yeah, I think I like that better. So we're using the darker one instead. I think I know where I got these, so maybe I'll be able to get more. They were not very expensive. They were very cheap, actually. Now let's see what we can do with the candles. Pumpkins. Toadstools. There. See, this is the one white colored pumpkin that I have. We've got this one, and then we've got the fake bigger one that we'll use somewhere else. But I do have some real cute small ones. Okay, this would make it too orange.
Castles out of sand, reaching for the ground. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Oh.
I think this is a good start. I'm just gonna move on, and then, you know, maybe I need things that are here, and maybe I want to switch things around, so let's just keep going. What's with the sad face? Why you look sad? Okay, so I think this looks good for now, but there's a lot more to be done. I've got that little side table thingy, and then I've got the TV, console, shelf, this little chair. Move this pillow out, and then put an orange pillow in there. That's one tiny detail. So for this area, I just took these out of there, which were the very high plume kinds of things. I really like them there though. So I'm just gonna have to look for something to put them in because I used the other vase thingy there. Hang on. Hang on. We've got this thing. This is actually something I was working on. See, I put plaster on the outside of a very boring vase, and I actually planned on painting it, but I didn't do that yet. So if I would just do that, make it like a darker gray color. I don't know if it's high enough though. See, they go very wide. But I could also put some other things in there that would hold this in place. Let me think about that.
I feel like I've been here before, familiar with the view. This ain't nothing new. And every time that you walk through the door, I'm hit by the same old side, blinded by the lights, and I'm going through.
So I figured we would also decorate his little corner here. I actually have a couple of these. I try not to use too many of them because they are very fake. But we can do a couple, right? Let's see how it looks.
I live for the moments when you're around me. I know you've got secrets, but I can't keep on. And we're fading in and out together. The fuse wide open, stuck in the moment.
So I thought I had a lot of fall decor with my entire box that wasn't actually even filled completely, but I've already kind of run out. I definitely need more fall decor for next year. If you enjoy my videos, please remember to subscribe. I really would love to add you to our little DIY home makeover group that we've got going. And let me know in the comments what you think of everything, because I really, really love hearing from you. I love replying to your comments, so just say hi. So there is something that I actually completely forgot when I did the living room makeover, is that I had this little handle. It is actually very pretty. Look at that. So I want to put it on this door right here so that we can slide it open. I'm just gonna do that real quick.
They said that just one look and I'd get caught too.
there's something about you, and you know it too. All I do is think.
So I hope you enjoyed decorating my living room with me. Next year is definitely going to be bigger. I need to collect more decor for next year so that we can also do the kitchen, because I didn't do anything there now. I do have a lot more for Christmas though, which is not that far away. So there will definitely be another decorating video very soon. But for now, like the video if you liked it, because that really helps me out, and I will see you next time.